Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting on the watch itself. Make sure it's paired, unlocked, and on your wrist. Once done, confirm your iPhone's date and time settings so time zone sync works correctly. Now press the digital crown, swipe to settings, and tap clock to change how the watch displays time. This begins the actionable process. Don't skip syncing the iPhone because the watch follows that system time for accuracy. Proceed to the clock options to set a time offset quickly and safely. Now you'll adjust the watch display ahead. Tap clock, then tap +0 minutes to open the offset selector. Use the digital crown to rotate to the number of minutes you want the watch to show ahead, up to 59 minutes, because Apple Watch doesn't let you set the exact system time independently. This controls only the displayed time, keeping system time synced to your iPhone, which preserves alarms and messages. When the desired minute offset is set, tap Set and observe the watch face update immediately. Finish by checking that alarms and timers still behave as expected because they run on system time, not the display offset. That's why iPhone sync matters. If the offset won't save or the watch shows incorrect time, restart the watch, update watchOS, and repair if necessary. These steps fix most sync glitches. Finally, remember that to change the actual time zone, you must update the paired iPhone under Settings, General Date and Time. The watch inherits that setting automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.